Good morning, Northwestern. I'm so excited to be back and to see you guys this morning. Today for math, we are going to start off with a little bit of a game. So I'm going to hold up my fingers and I'm going to show you a number. And what I want you guys to do, I want you to tell me how many fingers are down. So you're going to tell me how many fingers are down. Get ready. How many fingers do I have down? 2. 1, 2. So we can see that 8 and 2 more make 10. So 8 and 2 more make 10. Okay, get ready. How many fingers are down? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can see that 6 and 4 more make 10. So 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys a little story. This past weekend, I went on a picnic, and the funniest thing happened. All these ants decided they wanted to join in on my picnic. So I'm going to show you what it looked like. Hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, so this is what my picnic looked like, and these are all the ants that joined in, and they were helping me eat all of my food. So before we can begin, I want to go ahead and label because you guys are already working on first grade stuff. So let's go ahead and label. Go ahead and help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 ants joined me for my picnic. And as we were eating, one ant became full. So I'm going to take away this ant right here. Now remember, we always take away from the back. We never take away from the beginning. And so we don't get confused, I'm going to erase this number because that ant had left. He was already full. Okay, so let's look at my screen. How many ants are left? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ants are left and 1 left. So that tells me that 9 and 1 make 10. So 9 and 1 make 10. Let's go ahead and show that on our fingers again. 9 and 1 more make 10. 9 and 1 more make 10. Okay, so we continue to eat and we're eating, and all of a sudden 2 more ants get full from all of the food. So again, I'm going to take those 2 ants away. So 1 and 2. And remember, I'm going to erase these 2 because these 2 ants, they're no longer hungry. How many ants are left? Go ahead and take a second to figure out how many ants are left. Okay, let's go ahead and count and double check that you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I see that there's 7 ants left still eating, but 3 are full. So that tells me that 7 and 3 more make 10. So 7 and 3 more make 10. Now, we're eating, and all of a sudden, 4 more ants. They're full. They're done. So let's go ahead and continue to take those ants away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, I'm going to erase so we don't get tricked. Now how many ants are left? Let's double check that you're right. 1, 2, 3. So that tells me that 3 and 7 more make 10. So 3 and 7 more make 10. Okay, so scholars, now it's time for us to do our exit ticket. So let's go ahead. I'm going to give you guys a few moments to complete this exit ticket. What I want you guys to do is I want you to hit pause. And then once you've completed your exit ticket, go ahead and come on back because we're going to do it together. Okay, so now that you've completed your exit ticket, let's go ahead and walk through the exit ticket. Now, the exit ticket says choose the number sentence that matches the picture. So I know in my brain that if I am doing this and I want before, I need to make sure I'm labeling my picture. So let's go ahead and label. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I see that I have 8 total smiley faces. And I also see that each of the smiley faces at the end are being crossed out. And I know that if you see something that's crossed out, that means you're taking it away. So if you're taking something away, you're doing subtraction. So let's go ahead and I'm going to count and I'm going to label with a different color pen. So I'm going to do red and I'm going to count how many smiley faces we actually took away. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now that I've completely labeled my picture, I'm going to reread the question. Choose the number sentence that matches the picture. Now I'm going to look at my answers. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. I know that that's not right because that's an addition sign and we're doing subtraction. So 8 minus 4 equals 2. I know that that one's not right because we took away 6, not 4. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. So I'm going to double check. So I had 8 smiley faces and I took away 6 and I had 1, 2 left over. So I know that this one is the correct answer. Well, great job, guys, today. I am so excited to see you back here tomorrow. In the meantime, please make sure that you guys are continuing to practice your flashcards. I linked them down below in the comments section. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.